All right, JC on the mic with the head coach of Team Polangi here tonight in the first day of the Albay Governors Cup. Now, Coach Peter, first game, as I said, tonight. What do you think, anong klaseng identity ang gusto nyong i-establish here tonight in our inaugural game?
Well, since first game namin to, we need to set the tone na yung lahat ng set plays namin ay ma-execute ng maayos.
Yeah.
So, at least gagawin namin yung aming plinano dito sa first game na to. Para at least yung mga susunod, kumbaga magaan ang takbo ng team po.
Now, Coach, you're facing Team Santo Domingo here, a team from the other side of Albay. What do you think is your guys' game plan here against your first opponent here in the provincial games?
Well, Santo Domingo is very familiar sa amin sa Polangi, since nung intertown competition.
Yeah.
So, nothing nabago po sa kanila. Except yung ibang player nila ay mukhang iba na rin.
Yeah.
Pero it's same culture, atmosphere yung aming magiging katunggali ngayon.
Now, Coach, last thing, ano ang expectations mo para sa sarili mo as a coach and para sa buong team mo here in the opening game?
Of course, syempre, sino ba naman ang hindi po nangarap na kami po ay makarating sa susunod na level nitong competition ito. Pero syempre, lahat tatrabahuhin niya ng maayos. Kumbaga, we will cross the bridge. For the meantime, dito muna kami. So, step by step ang aming gagawin para ma-reach namin yung pinaka-goal ng Team Polangi Red Hunters.
Thank you so much, Coach, and good luck tonight.
Thank you. It's my pleasure, sir. Thank you po. Thank you so much.